Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. My name is Andy, and we're going to be taking a behind-the-scenes look at the 3D modeling and printing division of the channel. For the first episode of 3D Man Corner, we're going to be doing a simple tour of my editing and printing setup.
Is that a hair gel?
Figured I'd make a quick video for you guys while Austin is working on another car. And in the next episode, I'm going to take you on a journey through our next project that I am super pumped for, guys. So stay tuned for that one. Now, I've already manufactured a bunch of useful stuff for the benches, pegboard bins, cups, displays, and all sorts of holders for our tools. And yes, when I get the time, I'll eventually put a bunch of these designs up on Thingiverse. It's probably about time I start giving back to the site a little bit. And who knows, maybe some of you'll even find them useful. My current little workhorse is a Creatality Ender 3 V2. I now know why this printer is so popular. It's cheap and prints great quality. I used to have an Anycubic Mega S printer. Worked hella awesome until a recent upgrade I did.
Took the restrictor plate off, give the Red Dragon a little more juice.
However, I did find out how easy it is to blow up stepper motors using only a multimeter. And this is where all the magic happens. What we need is a camera mount for our printer so we can get those nice time lapses. I'm going to jump on Thingiverse real quick to see if there's a camera mount already made for this printer. And if not, we're just going to design one ourselves. Alright, I think we found something here. This one's for the Raspberry Pi camera, but should work nicely. We just need to quickly model us up a piece that'll fix our Wise camera. Done. Now throw it in Cura. Looks good. Slice it. And to the printer.
Job's done.
Beautiful. I would like to thank Austin 3D Printing for the model. No relation to the channel. The screw holes are a bit tight, so we're just going to hone them out a little bit. I'm using M3 screws and nuts to put this thing together. There's a bit too much of a gap in here, so I'm going to put a little washer in each one. I do not have a long enough one for the base, so let's just use the handyman's secret weapon, Gorilla Glue. And it's looking good. This arm should stiffen up when the glue's dry here. Seems firm after tightening those bolts, so that should hold the camera no problem. Now let's hope this thing fits. Oh my god.
Gorgeous!
A lot of the items from today's video are purchasable on Amazon. I will leave the links in the description if anyone is interested. I hope you all liked this little behind the scenes video and can't wait to show you what we got cooking next.